Hey YouTube, this is Michael from Zone Robotics, and this is a bi-weekly update. This last 2 weeks we have constructed the bottom body board, which has a lot of different sub-circuits in it. First, it has the charger circuit for charging the batteries. Turns out that I ordered the wrong part number. It had a T at the end, which meant that the current or temperature sensor was voltage and not current related, so I had to put a voltage divider where there was none, but that should be fixed up as soon as I order the correct part number. Also, there is the boost circuit, which was right here, and after realizing that I had not soldered a resistor and soldering that resistor in, that worked fine. I'm able to get an extremely high amperage through the boost circuit, and anywhere from 12 to 20 volts depending on how I adjust the potentiometer over there. It seems like the boost circuit's working pretty good. We did have to limit the current because it was allowing the whole entire circuit to turn off because it was pulling way too much current. And over here you can see we have the accelerometer and some LDOs. And that's pretty much all there was to the body board. We still have the buzzer to put in so it can make sound. I'm gonna have to add that in, but that should be pretty quick. We also printed the only finished 3D model. I really haven't had enough votes yet to decide on any of the 3D models, but this one was already finished, so I figured what the heck, I can just at least drive this around. And after printing it, I was able to screw in the bottom board, so that's really sturdy in there. And the motors fit so snugly you can turn it upside down and bang it and they don't come out. The batteries fit in pretty well. Let's see. And they make pretty good contact. So I could print the top to this and I would have a complete drivable robot. So just showing how the body board fits into the brain board, the top board with all the electronic components, and see that fits in there. So then we can plug in the batteries, which the batteries work pretty well, but you can also come over here and plug in your USB adapter so you can start doing some USB charging. The green light means power is good, the yellow light means that it's charging the batteries. So apart from that, I haven't really connected it up and drove it around at all yet. I just got this done and kind of moved on to other things. So by next week we should be driving this guy around, and I'm going to have to make another brain board to connect up the camera. But before I connect up the camera, I should be able to evaluate this entire board and make it work pretty well. So as always, subscribe and like this video and share it with anybody else that you think might be interested. Thank you.